These are Num Noms Snackables Collectible Cereal, Series 1. This is not actual food, this is just little collectible toys. When I went and visited my niece Abby last week at her house, she showed me her Num Nom collection of these, and she showed me how it worked. Since she gave me all her duplicates, I went and bought her a new container. These are around $8.99 at Target, so they are a bit expensive for a little toy, but they're extremely cute. So I didn't get it when I first saw it, but once she explained it to me, I thought it was kind of cute. So this is her box, unopened. I'm not going to open it. And then this is my box that I bought. And I have slightly opened it since I'm doing this one-handed. All I did was, so there's 12 collectible toys, a spoon, and a checklist. So, and they each come individually wrapped, which is crazy. They spend more money on packaging than anything. So I just went and cut each bag, but I have not looked at it. So let me see if I can do this one-handed. So the first bag is the spoon. Oh, that's wrapped in plastic too. Okay, so this is a fizzy spoon, and so once you unwrap the cereal, you're going to put it in the bowl, add water, and then since this is like a little bath bomb, when you add that, this is going to start fizzing. And Abby told me there's like a little limited edition toy underneath, so when the fizzy's all done, there will be another extra collectible toy under there. Alright, so let's take the first bag, and so it's a cute little like pink puff. Oh, like a bear head. Okay. And there's a checklist, so if you want to collect all of them. Alright, so there's a big checklist. And then what is this? The instructions probably? This is the instructions. 11 characters, 1 surprise character, and then this spoon. Okay, I'm not going to open that. I understand how that works. Oh, this one's already coming out. So now we have a pink rabbit puff. Oh, a teal kitty puff. Let's see. A little like kitty that's, what do you call those? I'm not even going to think of cereal terms right now. It's too early, but you know what I mean. Like a wheat puff. And then this is like a strawberry marshmallow type thing. And this is I don't know, teddy bear. Kind of looks like the ghost from a cereal. Anyway, 80s toy. I can't think of the name. Alright, here is a cloud. Oh, that one's cute. I like that. And then this is another one of those Chex Mix types things. Let's see. And then here is a little Cheerio, a pink one. Oh, come on. This is a little, like a shredded wheat, a pink one. That's adorable. And then one more. Oh, it fell in the thing. And this is like a little yellow triangular rabbit. Alright, so these are the collectible toys. And they are cute. I can see why people would eat them. This is a very dangerous toy for a kid. Oh my god. I cannot believe they made these for kids. Because, yeah, if I was a little kid, I would be chewing on these nonstop. These are adorable, though. So I'm going to put them back in the bowl. The cereal bowl. Alright, and then, oh, this spoon is wrapped in plastic. That's going to be a nightmare. Let's see. Sorry, I'm going to have to pause this for a second as I unwrap this spoon. So give me a second. Alright, I unwrapped the spoon. Now I'm going to pour some water in here. Let's see how deep this spoon needs to be. So I guess I'm going to have to pour a lot of water in there because that's fizzy is pretty tall. So I'm just using bottled water. So I'm just going to pour some water in here. Alright, I'm going to do it like half full just to make sure I have enough water. And now I'm going to put the spoon in and it should start. What did I do wrong? Oh, there it goes. Now it's starting to fizz. Does it help if you spoon it around, twirl it around? Okay, oh, it's already starting to come out. Alright, where's your little toy in there? Let's see if I can get that to fall out. Oop, there's a little toy hidden in there. Oh, let's see if I can get that to come out. What are you, special little toy? Now I have to, here, I'm going to spoon it out. Right. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get my fingers wet. Okay. And my little limited edition is a chocolate Cheerio. That's cute. Abby's was cuter. Her bowl she showed me, she had like a little baby one. It was cute. Alright, so this fizzy thing, I don't know. I don't play with bath bombs. It's kind of going a little slow to me. I would think it would be a little quicker than that. I was supposed to use water, right? I don't know, you always hear stories of bath bombs like they just fizz like crazy and cool, and this really isn't fizzing that cool, so I'm not really impressed with the fizziness aspect of it. Oh, it's there. Okay. Yeah, that was very boring on the fizzy part. Come on. Alright. Well, the toys are cute, but I'm not impressed by the fizziness. It's just bottled water. That should have kept it fizzing, right? Wasn't supposed to really use milk. I know that. Abby said pour in regular water. So, anyway, it's a very cute toy, even though it didn't fizz correctly. I will have to ask my niece if it was supposed to fizz differently. But I'm going to take my cereal out, rinse them off. They're cute, though. It's making me hungry. I think I'm going to go see if I have any Fruity Pebbles. Alright, thank you for watching.